Thanks for joining me. Today, this video is for my newbies out there. I get this question so much, I decided to do a quick video, and I'm going to show you really quickly how to add another account to your already existing Instagram account and how to switch in between those. So stick with me. It is really easy to switch between accounts and also add an account to an already existing Instagram account. Now you can add up to 5 different accounts on any one Instagram account. First thing you're going to want to do, click these 3 lines here. This is going to take us to settings. If you haven't updated your Instagram in a while, you're probably going to have a settings toggle right here next to edit profile. So you'll want to click that. So I am going to click on the 3 bars here. Next I'm going to click on settings right here. And I'm going to scroll all the way down and I'm going to click on add account. Now what you'll want to do is add the additional account information here. So the username and password, or the email and password, however you signed in. I'm going to do that and I'll get right back with you. So I've added my additional account, and right here now you notice there's a little drop down, kind of like a little arrow here. You can click on this little arrow or the name, and this is how you toggle between accounts. So now I've got 2 accounts here, and as I mentioned, you can add up to 5 different accounts. I'm going to click on my account here, and that's how you toggle in between. Just click the top one and it'll open up the drop down and it'll show you all of your accounts. So I hope that helped you. If it did, give me that thumbs up below, because I love making videos when I get a chance. And also please subscribe, because I'm going to be bringing you more helpful videos similar to this in the future. Now before I go, I've got a bonus for you. This is a free Instagram hashtag industry guide, and it's got almost 50 industries included. To show your appreciation, just like and subscribe to my channel. I would love that. The great thing about this, if you're trying to grow your Instagram account, one of the best ways to do that is by using the proper hashtags. Hashtags allow your Instagram account to be discovered by people who don't already follow you. So it'll help you get more likes, followers, and engagement on your post. The great thing about this is that there's over 50 different industries. I've done the research for you. Industries include financial services, auto, hair, childcare, fitness, dentists, med spas, home decor, landscaping, business coaches, wedding planners, restaurants, realtors. It took me hours doing this manually on Instagram. I'm giving it to you absolutely free. I'm leaving the description below. All I need you to do is subscribe to my channel and like this video. Also, let me know what you think of the guide. Shoot me an email. Thanks again for watching. I am your marketing lady, and I will see you next time.